Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create ruler dimensions in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your design in Canva, go to the top menu and click on File. Now enable Show Rulers and Guides. You'll now see rulers appear on the top and left side of your canvas. To create custom dimensions, click on the ruler top or left, drag your mouse onto the canvas. This will create a guide line. You can place guides such as horizontally from the top ruler, vertically from the side ruler. Click on a guide to adjust it. You'll see its exact position in pixels while moving it. Place guides at specific points like margins, center alignment, column layouts. Now use these guides to align your elements. Snap text and images into place. Maintain equal spacing, create structure layouts like grids or columns. This makes your design look clean and balanced. And that's basically how you can create ruler dimensions in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.